Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, had a little break because my parents were visiting. And yeah, back new full force, new layout. A little bit. I'm gonna add some more things. That's why the space is empty below the webcam. So I'm gonna show. Okay. So yeah, let me start with the beginning. I'm gonna start copy trading as well. So I have been trading one account until now. Yeah, I think from next week on or later this week I'll start copy trading, and then I'll show you all the accounts, P&L and everything below the webcam. That's where that space is reserved for, and yeah, let's see. Let's do it. Yeah, I've been super careful on so far. I don't think it's a bad thing per se, but it's also not being helping much P&L wise. So yeah, let's see what this week will bring. Yeah, I mean, what else can I say? Let's get to it. So 10 minutes before the open. Yeah, I mean, you know, yesterday bank holiday. Yeah, it's mainly just pretty much grind up. Yeah, today I'm not sure because it went like up with low volume. It doesn't mean much per se, so it would be fairly easy to push it down if they want, or it can be used as a stepping stone to push it even higher. So we don't know yet, of course. Yeah, so we're gonna probably take the first 10-15 minutes to try to figure that out. Yeah, let us see. Yeah. Yeah, also not much news planned. So we have FOMC speaker, 11:30 Eastern. Yeah. Hope to be done by then. Yeah, so not really much. Cool. Well, let's see. Yeah. Alright guys, here we go. Yeah, okay, so Nasdaq selling a bit. ES staying strong near the highs for now. Yeah, so far they're hanging around the high volume point on the 11th, but I think it's a little bit early to say anything about it. But it could be a stepping stone for new highs if they hold above it. Yeah, so yeah, NQ is bouncing back a little bit. YM still near the lows, for what it's worth. Yeah, I guess I'll just wait. Okay, so if VWAP test, it's still a small range. I'm not sure if it matters much, but I feel it's going higher. Then should at least test, like, you know, the highs from yesterday, I guess. Like, where's that? 18s. Yeah, so interesting enough, NQ already went above the previous high they tried to make before the open. Yeah, but ES doesn't really give a lot of opportunity so far. It's annoying. Yeah, oh. Yeah, honestly, not much is happening now, so we need a bigger range, I guess, to do something with this. Yeah, I feel if I do something now, it's too forced. It's like it's really not. It's really not. Doesn't make sense. Which is annoying, right? Because, you know, streaming now, you want to do something, it's very hard like to just wait, but we should wait because there's nothing to do now, really. Yeah, so if you guys are watching live, type something in the chat, keep me busy, you know. Ask me anything. Yeah. But okay, so on a micro level, it seems like NQ might have failed to make a new high. NQ is now, ES also now below the, like near the low of the session. So yeah, you know, if it doesn't go higher, it's going down, right? So yeah, let's see. But yeah, it would still be a weird high, I think, but who knows? Right. So I updated or upgraded, I guess, my internet connection. I'm on cable now instead of Wi-Fi. You know, I know Wi-Fi is not amazing, but I guess I just was a bit lazy because it always worked. But yeah, maybe not so much right now. So yeah, we're all you know, cabled up and yeah, ready to go. So let's see. Yeah, so ES kind of tested settlement, I guess, you know, at low here, like settlement being 8 quarters, so kind of testing it, I guess. Yeah, honestly, it's just a boring start. Yeah. Not much more to say about it. Will this be the reject? Ooh. Yeah. I guess we should at least see then 8's hit, right? If that's the case. I don't know. Like 8 quarter 8. Maybe. Yeah, okay, so yeah, it's boring. Hope you guys are not falling asleep. But it seems like they built some kind of volume, I guess, here. Tested, well, yeah, tested settlement, I guess. So potentially now they can go higher. But for me, it's not an entry. It's just so super slow. It's like, yeah, it's not worth the risk. Yeah, it's just going from high volume to another volume. It's still like in balance, in range. Yeah, not super interesting. Unfortunately. Hey. Oh wait. I have the alerts on, but yeah, they're not coming out very clean. Need to set up some other alerts, but so I didn't catch the name. But thanks for subscribing. Yeah, I'm trying to move the alert box from Streamlabs higher, but it had me dragging the whole window. I'll do that after the stream, I guess. Yeah, super boring session, guys. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not moving the market. What do you do, right? What do you do? Nothing. Try to be patient. Don't take trades that you normally wouldn't take. You know, I've been there, done that many times in the last 15 years. It usually cost me money, so not recommended. Yeah, just wait. You know, just wait for another opportunity. It will come. It will come for sure. But might be in 5 minutes. Might be in an hour. Might be tomorrow. So yeah, no one knows. Yeah, no one knows. But it looks super boring so far, especially ES. It's like, it's really pathetic. It's like a 6-point range or something. Yeah, nothing to do. Yeah, NQ would have been nicer, but you know, after that high was swept, 60, like almost 60. Went back to 10s, I guess. At least. Yeah, so it's 50 points, 40 points, 30 points, whatever you could have tried to make. But yes, it's dead. It's like it's doing nothing. It's not worth trading right now. So I'm doing my best not to do that. Yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. They might try something now. But the way this is trading, I'm not sure if I want to buy the breakout here because I think it's going higher, but I'm not, yeah, it's been almost 30 minutes and super slow. I'm not sure why that should change now. Let's see what we have. Still no need, right? No, not really. But let me know, like if you're watching now, like live, let me know in the chat. Like, do you like the new layout? If you've seen the new previous layout, do you want to see something else? Do you want to talk about something? Let me know. I'm here, and I'm bored, so anything helps. No. Well, I guess you guys are not really chatty. Can blame you. At least give the video a like, you know. Would be nice. Yeah, this is nothing. This is very yeah, so it's a strange action. Like for example, YM, not super watching that one a lot. Like not like very big indicator for me, but the numbers are not really well. Yeah, so I made it all like a little bit smaller, I guess, maybe too small. Yeah, thanks for letting me know what is small. Yeah, although the numbers are not that important, it's more about the volume profiles within it, but fair enough. Like the real numbers, I mean, yeah. Can you read the numbers on the dome? I guess also in the dome the profiles are more important than the actual numbers, I guess. Except maybe inside the bid-ask numbers, but yeah, I'll work on that for next time. I have to see how I arrange the dome also. Maybe I have to, like, you know, make it a little bit more compact. All right. Yeah, I'll think about it. Or I can zoom in a little bit maybe. I don't know. Oh, moving down here. Ooh. Yeah, so okay. Ooh, and get some big sellers at the highs. That's interesting. Why would they set it out now? It's weird. Is it? It's just a playlist. I mean, it's like could be lucky with that, but you know. The music is according to the action at the moment. Yeah, that's funny. I mean, next time I'll watch the playlist. I'll listen to the playlist before it's streaming. Then I know what's gonna happen, right? All right, I'll think about it. But yeah, super boring action still. But this is like the first time maybe they tried something, I guess. So I'd say if we go above 10s again, we might really make new highs. And if we're gonna stall here, like 9s, or even touch 10s and then go down, we might go lower. But it's too slow for me to make something out of it. It's just, you can get caught offside so quickly when it's so slow, when they just have like one little acceleration and you're on the wrong side of it, and then you're stopping out for no reason. Yeah, I'm not a fan of today's action. Not a fan. Well, no one is, I guess, but well, except like option traders maybe. Like if they sold some well, whatever you sell probably going lower. Yeah, what do you do? Yeah. Maybe you can tell me, Marcel. What should I do now? What should I do? Maybe I should get a cat. Like get the cat to decide what I should do, long or short, right now. Let it walk on the keyboard. But I'm still intrigued by those orders at the highs at like 14s level. Because I don't think they're algorithms, that they were there. Let's see if they keep moving up if we go higher, but it sounds like then that they want to have their fill and they're pushing towards their fill. Or I'm just making up things because there's nothing to see. Could be too. Oh man. Yeah. Two cats. Well, there you go. Okay, yeah. One is going long, one is going short. They're hedging each other, I guess. I saw a video recently though where like what was it? I don't remember what it was. I think it was a chicken. The chicken was deciding where to go long or short, like on goal or something. It was trying to pass an eval. I didn't see the end of it, how it turned out, but it did not bad, I think. So that's kind of funny. Yeah, so they are moving up, and they are moving towards the orders that are there. Yeah, I'm still not comfortable taking a long here to go with that at all. Yeah, nah, I'm good. Yeah. Let's see, maybe we should wait until IB sets in, you know, first hour, but yeah. Maybe not. Maybe today is gonna be a short stream. What, short? Should we go short? What? Did I hear short? No. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, let's anticipate a move. If they're gonna try something, what are we gonna do, right? So they need to go below settlement. Well, they're now at settlement. They need to go, well, below the current low, you know, at 06. If they do that and they retest settlement, might give it a go to short, like you know, 08 till 010s. They wanna test the overnight lows at 02s. Yeah, I don't know. Could be. If they break higher here, if they go higher, if they go above VWAP, go above, well, ideally they should make really new high before I want to go long again and buy the pullback. So really it needs to be above 14s. Yeah. You have minus 3,000 delta on the third on the right, isn't that big? Yeah, it is. It is, right? So it should have gone somewhere and it didn't. So there were a lot of sellers, but they've been absorbed. So it can happen when it's just a boring market, when it's just like moving back and forth, right? That's not doing much. But that's what I'm saying. Like if something happens now, then it's probably gonna go further because I think at least it's true. It's like it stands out, right? But still, it's, yeah, the range is so small. But yeah, they're not gonna stay forever, that's for sure. But it might take longer than we can handle, or I can handle. Yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like if they now go above VWAP, go above 11s, 12s, then it might be good for longs. But so far it's like below VWAP, it's below the PPOC, so it's kind of negative still. Now also below settlement, they're trying a little bit, you know. So it's kind of negative now. But where do you short it? Like there's no entry. There's no entry because you have to just it's more of a gamble than of a calculated risk, right? Because where do you put your stop? Like it's just 50-50, and that's not, for me, not good enough. No. Oh, it's always 50-50, of course, but you know, you don't know beforehand, but you get the point, I guess. Yeah, so they're going lower now. Yeah. It's just hard to get in, and that might be exactly what they want. They could it could actually accelerate because of that, because they know no one was able to do something with it. They just trickle down, then at some point it might accelerate. But honestly, it's yeah. They just it's just a small range. I cannot make a lot out of it yet. It's yeah. But yeah, leading towards shorts, of course. But if they cannot deal with this negative delta to go lower, well, what does that make it? That makes something positive. But yeah, so far they're still trickling down a little bit, I guess. So you know, still working. It's just too slow for me to do something. It's just not. It's not. For me, it's not worth the risk, at least. No. Yep. And also lately, everything, if they went down from a range, almost every time they kept buying it up, right? So with that in mind, why would it be different here? Because we're at the highs? Yeah, maybe, I don't know. So they've been trying to catch it every time. So yeah, you know, doesn't have to be the case this time, but so far it's been the trend of doing that. Because it hasn't been going down that much. I guess we're due for it to go down a lot, you know, but it doesn't have to happen before the shorters run out of money, right? Or it probably doesn't happen before shorters run out of money. So yeah, so yeah, that's it. Pretty much. And now actually YM is kind of have some buyers. It's weird. Now ES and Q is kind of going down, and YM is saying like, no, now it's time to buy. Or actually, it's lower already. Oh, it opened lower. It's minus 0.60%. Okay. All right, we see some activity going on now. It's close to the right, the one I told you about, the overnight lows. There we might maybe see some more action, because so far it's nothing. Oh, it just one ticked it, like one tick shy of it. Okay, interesting. Yeah, they definitely seem to be doing their own thing. YM, RTY. Yep. Which is weird, because like years ago, like I often used like the RTY as an indicator of like what ES might do later. Yeah, it's not so useful anymore. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I still don't know. Yeah. I guess if anything, I would buy it now, right? Because that's what I've been doing all the time. But we didn't get a decent test below the overnight lows, so like, yeah, where's your risk? Because I might still try that, and it might not, like, that doesn't invalidate the trade right away, right? So where do you put your stop? Yeah, it's for me too much to try. But yeah, I guess I would have tried like 03s, you know, forwards. Yeah. I don't know. YM still having buyers. It's really ES that's super boring. I guess NQ could also be traded a little bit better. Huh. Interesting. Well, they made it 3 points up. Yeah, I was inclined to buy it, but I'm not really sure if that's a good idea. I don't think so with this momentum or lack of. Yeah. Difficult. Yeah, I guess we'll wait till IB is set, you know, see if that will do something. Yeah, I'm not expecting much anymore. I guess it's just yeah. Yep, it has died again. Yeah, I'm very not interested in this. But I would have gone long over it. I would have picked the longs, I guess, from here over the shorts from 03s or 4s, I said, right? Yeah. What's your target then? Like, our target then should be like 08 or 10s, and then if you're a runner, go for the highs. But I couldn't find a good risk setup for that, because they just like they were one tick shy of the overnight low, right? Yeah, what do you do if they run it? I don't know. That is the question, and I do not have the answer. Oh, NQ had a little bit of a dumpy, 20-point dump. Okay. Well, okay, so if they do that, and they're gonna buy it straight back up, then I guess we should be long. But again, like, I don't want to be in this market today. I think it's like, it's so slow. It's not. Yeah, someone sneezes and it's, you know, and you're offsides for no reason. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna just like call it soon, I guess. You know, no trades. Didn't happen before, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah. I mean, I guess it looks a little bit more negative now. But yeah, like, I cannot short the pull. I couldn't short the pullback because it's so slow. Like, it's no. I don't want to wait 30 minutes until I know if it works or not, right? So. Well, 30 minutes. I mean, 5 minutes. Even 5 minutes, I don't want to wait. Yeah, but it looks a bit more negative now, I guess. Yeah. No momentum whatsoever. Yeah, it's really like NQ would have been nicer, I guess, to trade, and that. Yeah, I just don't. I don't know. I don't trade it, so kind of don't want to do that. But also, maybe I should if it's a day like this. Maybe I should just switch. You know. I don't know. I could check that out. Maybe yes. Maybe no. But yeah. Yeah, so if this is holding again, then you know, like you know, with the highest volume is from the, you know. If that holds now, then I guess they're not gonna test the overnight lows. Yeah, then it's gonna be a slow grind up, I guess, the rest of the day. So again, still not interested then, but are they going lower now? No. Maybe. Okay. Thank you, making new low. Yes. Tried. Hit some volume on the threes, but didn't go anywhere. So maybe this was it then for the lows, for the shorts. Then we should be long into the fours. Into the fours maybe, yeah. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm not excited about that. Or it's gonna take an hour for me to fill. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. Well, let's wait for IB. It's 3 minutes, but if nothing happens, then I'm gonna be out. Gonna do order stuff, work on the platform, you know, getting to a release, which should be hopefully soon, you know. Yeah, but if anything, I would have bought fours. Like, let's pretend we bought fours, right? Fours, see if that would have screwed us up. Get some new goodies there on the platform, you know. Now we can see where we drag the order to. Bothered me a lot. Now you can see where you drop it. Like if you just have the hand, you don't see the actual price where you drop it, right? Now you can see, well, you can see the highlight on the delta column of the pulling stacking of the ask, and the price column is highlighted. So I think that's nice, because I normally have pretty precise prices where I want to drop it. So yeah, we're getting there, guys. No, it's over 4 years now, but oh, we got a little drop. Yeah, there we go. Now we got some acceleration. Okay, cool. So nice. So on IB, kind of 1 minute before IB. Okay, so what are we gonna do? I cannot short into this right away. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, if you would have been like, okay, right, all right, we did. That's what we did, right? We pretend to be long. Like, what are you gonna do? Like, if they just accelerated out of nowhere, this is what you get. So probably would have been slippage on the stop. So that's why it doesn't make sense. And yeah, now it's just accelerating down. Now it's moving. Yeah, but you're gonna short it here. I'm not. Yeah, this kind of sucks. Oh, we got some Israel defense minister. We do not want to open new fronts on Israel. Israeli leadership agrees on the nature of responding to Iran. Oh man, that stuff again. Okay. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. It's not nice. Thank you, going lower. Yeah, I could buy for a scalp maybe. The next drop. We're maybe near like 90s. Yeah, 90s. Okay, there goes yes. I feel I want to bite it. I'm not sure why. It might be really stupid. Probably stupid, yeah. It didn't do any range, you know. I don't know. Yeah, it's hard to do something with this. I do think I want to give the longs a try just for a bounce. It's just been going. I'll add it up to like 90. I guess. Yeah, it was not the best idea. Shit. I'll go to max 5 contracts and then it's it. That's it. Okay. Come on, really? Oh shit. Forgot the order. Ah, fuck. Yeah, this is not great. So weird. I think it's gonna be my one time, and this I think I'm gonna add into this. This is super weird, this move. Yeah. Not looking great. This might have been very dumb. Yeah. I'm gonna add, I think, again. Okay, maybe not here. Oh, I'm already at 6. Okay, let's set to do 5. Okay, let's never mind. Jesus Christ, sucks. Oh man, another low. Jesus Christ, I'm fucked. Yeah, this is it. This should be it. Like, otherwise I'm out. This should be it. Come on. No, not anymore. Fucking hell. Yeah, there's an important level 86. Oh shit. Come on, I need to go over that one. Fuck, didn't see that. Not great. Not great. Yeah, now we really need over 86, or I'm dead. Oh fuck, euros, really? Jesus Christ, guys, this is so fucked. Man, really? Makes no sense. I think I'm gonna use my all in. Fucking hell. Oh shit. Ah, fuck. Stopped. That's not good. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I think a new low should really stop out. This doesn't make sense anymore risk-wise. It's really just like gambling. So yeah, I should probably mess up. Shit. Come on. Come on, push it. Push, push, push. I should have held it. I'm very sure of it that I should have held it now until all the way till like 95 probably. It's just too much risk for me, guys. This is stupid. I should have held it. Fuck. Yeah. Fuck. This is just saving my ass because I was down so much. I think it was like 3k or something. I don't even know. Fuck. I'm up 100 now. Which is stupid for the size I was in. At least I was able to trade out of it, but no, it's not great trading, but you know, it's fucking it up and then manage your risk a little bit better than entering. I still feel we're going to go back up. That's the thing. I still feel, because this move didn't make much sense to me. Like, I'm okay with market moving down, but the way this moved down, it just didn't. I just, you know, I don't know. Could be wrong. It can do now whatever it wants to do, but man, this is stressful. It's a weird thing though. Yeah. Anyway, I got out of it. Like I can't show you guys. Yeah, I'm up 100 now. You know, but I didn't see my P&L, but I'm pretty sure I was down 2k, 2.5. I don't know actually. Yeah. Strange day. Well, at least I'm awake now. Jesus Christ. It's weird though. It's weird. It's yeah. I'm kind of looking to. I shouldn't do a trade on somewhere. I'm kind of looking to maybe just buy the pullback, or should we just like chill out because we screwed it up a lot already? So I'm not sure. Wow. Let's say I do want to, like, let's say 83 we buy it now, and let's say we're long 2 lot 83, right? So where do you put the stop? Well, ideally not more than 3 points, so 80. Let's see, it's 83. That's where it broke down from, right? 80 here. Those imbalances, pretty much 83. So let's pretend in 3 point stop. Yes, yeah. If it's not doing that, then it's also clear that I shouldn't be in it at all today. What's my strategy? Well, the strategy normally is like to trade off of like VWAP things, you know, volume point of controls, like LVN, AVNs, HVNs levels, which we kind of had, but it's just ran the range, you know. And I said it in one of the first streams, I guess. I'm not good in catching the lows, so I'm not sure why I still try to do that. Probably should have waited for the first up move like we had just now, and then would have been into 83 maybe, right? And then if it then made new lows with the 2 lot, that would not be so bad. But yeah, so basically I didn't follow my strategy. That's what it comes down to, I guess. Because if I followed my strategy, then I would have been into it right now with 83. Like, you know, going down, breaks up, and test the previous breakout level or breakdown from here, right? With there's no volume traded. That's what it's holding here now too. So it would have been 83, 83, yeah. And then, you know, target to scale probably this 87. 87, 92. Yeah, not great. Not great. No. But yeah, 83 would have worked, right? So if I just like, I should just stop trying to catch the lows. That's kind of the main thing, I guess. I've tried so many times, and like pretty much all the times it doesn't work, and it gets me into trouble, and it gets me into trading much more size than I want to, and yeah, that's not good. I had enough playroom, but it doesn't, risk-wise, doesn't make sense. So yeah. Actually, I feel we shouldn't leave it at 100. I'd rather be at 0 than at 100, I guess. Yeah, sucks. Yeah. But yeah, you guys can see the executions here, right? So not the best. Got me out of a hole, but you know. Yeah, not amazing. By far. Because that's not what it should be, right? You should not just be trading because you fucked it up and need to make it up. You need to trade your setups, and that's, yeah, you know. You should have just exited and then wait for another setup. Like, or wait for an actual setup, and that's not what I really did. Yeah. Yes, prior LVNs. And so it depends on the range, right? So the range that we had before broke down. Was only like, or is it like 8 or 10 points? Yeah, probably not worth it, especially if it's going sideways for a while. However, if it sets a high and then makes a new low, and then retest the VPOC level, that could be a good entry. But like we had zero movement before this all happened, which probably because of the news that hit. Then it's just no setup. It's it's just nothing to do, and that's kind of what I said in the beginning of the stream. There's just nothing to do. Yeah, and then I tried to catch the low and screwed it up, pretty much. But that was my own fault. It's like it's not really a setup. So setup is to wait for a bounce, pretty much, and then buy the pullback. But yeah, I didn't wait for the bounce. It didn't. Well, it came, but I was already down a lot, so I just went back to zero. So I risked a lot for nothing. So that was bad on my part, I feel. And now I miss the potential upside, right? Because I'm I'm kind of done now with it, because I traded super big. Well, didn't meant to do that, and now I'm like, yeah, my risk appetite is like, it's a little bit less at the moment. So yeah, my bad. But again, the 83s is working right. The 83s with the 80 stop. You can also move the stop now to 80, 81. Right, still working. So if I waited for the actual setup, I would have still be in it, yeah. And I would have scaled out at 87. Right, that I said before, I would have scaled out at 87. Most of it, and then leave runners for more, right? So 87 is 4 points. And then probably put the stop to 82, I guess. 82, no. Right? But yeah, didn't do that. No. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, I don't see the retrace. Yeah, it's hard to catch lows unless you like DCA a lot, but it's super tricky, of course. Yeah, to catch a low, it's just like normally it's wishful thinking, and I still get caught up in it sometimes. Well, today I got caught up in it. I just shouldn't do it, but it's also a little bit, and I guess they know, right? Because you're so bored with the action before, you want to do something, you see it moving finally, and you're like, oh, fuck it, I'm gonna buy. Yeah, and then it gets you. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, true. I'm fine with retraces, by the way. It's like normally it's not a problem at all. I don't see the retrace. I don't see what the retrace would be though. Yeah, so the retrace would be here, like here, what I said. Like, so we went down. We made the low, then we went up, like a significant move of all the other previous moves, right? So this is like a bounce. Then it retraced on the breakout where you can see the imbalances here, the green imbalance numbers, 3 in a row. And that's what would have been an entry. That's why I said like I would here go along 83. That was what I marked in the dome. Yeah, exactly. It's because I'm human. I know that, but it's still annoying. Now the trade is working. See, and that's the annoying part of it, and I'm not in it. And yeah, I won't chase now, but it is super annoying. You have to be like Spock, yeah. Yeah, it's true. But I should be more mechanical about it, and I should think more about it while I'm in the trade doing that stupid stuff. Because if I bought like 3 lots at 83, small size, scaled out 2 at 87, had $400 in pocket, put stop to 82, 50-point risk, less remaining. And now I said 82, I would be out, right? So 82, yeah, it hit 82. So that's 9 points. So it's 400 plus 9 is 450. It's like it's 850, right? 850 with 3 lots. Like that would have been perfect, right? And yeah, I did the something else. Yeah, I did call 83, right? Yeah, I called 92. Yeah, 92 here. That's what I said. Like because of the volume here. Yeah, I'll watch the stream back and then I'm pretty sure I said that. Yeah, so that would have been nice, right? But Jesus, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. You know. Next time, guys. Next time. Next time. We'll get it. We'll get it. But yeah. Yeah. But that would have been amazing. The one I pretended to do here. 83. You know, scale out 4 points. Hold a runner. You know, keep stop 81, 80 initially. Move to 81. When I moved higher, 82, and then exit trade at 92 here, the volume from yesterday. Yeah. It's all so easy in hindsight, you know? All the time, it's so easy in hindsight. But yeah, that's what it is, and it's always gonna be like that. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah. 82, 92, exit. Whoop. Yeah, there we go. Oh well, we tried. At least it worked out, you know, in the end. So if I hold it, everything, you know, that would have been amazing. But I would never risk that so much anymore, because I would have scaled out at least maybe, you know, 10. I scaled out, I went flat here, so that was my break even also then, I guess. So it was 85. Yeah, not amazing. Yeah, would have worked. That's good to know. That's good to know, right? Would have worked out. I'm not completely crazy, just a little bit. Yeah. But I'm definitely not happy with $100. Like it's super annoying. Although I prefer it being over down. I prefer it over being down 2K. Of course. But yeah. Oh, it's where I also started buying my first long. Maybe. Oh, fine. Funny. But what if I just scaled in better, right? So if I scaled in a range of, that's a big range actually. Maybe not. I think I'm not comfortable scaling in over a level of 10 points or more. Nah, I should have just stopped out. Yeah. At least I sold some here, you know. Oh, just one. Okay, too bad. Yeah. Oh well. Back to range of the lows. So. Yeah, I'm also, you know, pushing it too hard because I wanna pass this account, right? Well, pass, it's funded, but like I wanna get to payout, and yeah, I guess because of that I felt okay risking a lot more, but in this account I'm up. Not sure. Oh wait, I can see it here. Okay, right, so I'm at 53.62. Yeah, I need 2k more, 2k 2K and 130 something. 2100, 2200. Yeah. It's hard. At least I didn't blow it up, right? I mean, it was far away. Like the limit is 7.5K. But yeah, I'm not super comfortable risking 1/3 of that even. No. Yeah, I'm not super inclined to trade this anymore, to be honest. I had my portion of risk. I'm not super open to do that again, because clearly I was not in the flow today. And when I'm not in a flow, I don't like to continue, because normally I'm just pushing it again. Yeah, normally that doesn't work out for me, so I'm probably not gonna do that. Nope. But yeah, I hope we get some movement tomorrow, right from the open. You know, would be nice. So we don't have to be annoyed for an hour. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, because like now it's also kind of weird, right? Because like here's the previous low of the overnight. Is that true? No, that's not previous RTA's low. Yeah. So the low from no, that was yesterday's low. Yeah, okay. Yeah, not sure if that matters that much, because I guess the high matters more from the. Yeah, maybe not. Well, it was close into that range, to be honest. So hit the wick from 78. Yeah, 78 could have been good. Yeah, could have been good actually if I looked a little bit better. And it looked a little bit better. I mean, like here, where this range came from. Yeah. Like here was that high. It hit it, so you know. Well, in hindsight, right? Everything is easy, like I said, so it's whatever. I survived, and you know, ready to take it on tomorrow. So with that, I'm gonna leave it with that, I guess. With that said, yeah. Thanks for sticking with me. And yeah, I'm gonna try to do some better trades tomorrow, and I'm also gonna still try to up my size a little bit, because the first couple of weeks I just did one lots, right? Mostly one lots. Yeah, that's not gonna cut it. So I really want to move into like 3 and 5 lots, like what I, normally used to do already with my live account. But yeah, I really want to push this funded account to pay out, and it's gonna take a long time with just one lot. So yeah, ready to get back into it tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you not already did. And yeah, cool. Thanks guys. Trade safe, and yeah, see you tomorrow hopefully.